there. I would like to talk to you about what a lease to own program is and answer some questions and unveil or eradicate some myths as well. So I'm giving you a lot of information today. I've got a script. So normally I just tell it off the top of my head, but I'd like to make sure I get all the points across. So a lease to own home program bridges the gap from selling your existing home and buying a new one, or transitions you from renting to actually owning. Unlike the traditional lease to own programs that have been around for many, many years, and even the one that Jerry and I used when we purchased our lease to own home, the programs that we have now allow you, the home buyer, to earn equity from day one, a far cry from renting. And also a far cry from traditional mortgages, because while you own the home, you're really not building equity for quite some time. It's not the same. You have so much principal pay down. So a couple of points here. You build equity from day one. You're locked into a fixed rate, unlike renting and unlike a mortgage. That fixed monthly rate remains the same year to year while you're in the lease to own program. Why is it better than traditional renting? Equity building, the rent or the payment of the monthly doesn't go up, and the flexibility, like let's say you need to move. If you're renting, no problem. If you own a home and you need to move, that's a little rough. If you're in a lease to own home and you need to move due to anything, a family change, relocation for a job, whatever the case may be, you get to cash out and get a sliding scale of the equity you have accumulated during that time. The longer you stay in the home, the more equity you get. It's risk-free. So it gives you that flexibility. You don't have the difficulty of selling your home. And for you experienced homeowners, you know what that's like. So, and what happens if you decide not to purchase the home? Same thing. You cash out. It is a sliding scale, and we can go over those details when you contact us and we go through a screen share. We can give you exact numbers and everything. So basically, your payments are never wasted. Again, a far cry from renting, and in some cases, a far cry from paying a mortgage. What do you need to get into a lease to own home? A low down payment, less than a down payment for any mortgage program, and a stable monthly payment. One of the programs that we have, you can move in the middle of the month and still not have a prorated monthly payment. You pay on the first. That may change at some time, but I think that's pretty awesome. Okay, what about maintenance repairs? Well, that's the flexibility that you get. So the flexibility of leasing, you get, if you have a good landlord, your major maintenance is covered, roof, electric, plumbing, HVAC, etc. All that's covered. As a homeowner, well, Is lease to own right for you? I have to say with a resounding yes. Jerry and I are absolutely thrilled with the programs we have to offer now. They are innovative, financially savvy, absolutely game-changing. If we were to think about a new home for whatever reason, renting or purchasing, hands down, we would use one of these programs. Gaining equity from day one is a game changer. We come in with cash offers, so we generally can get a better price on the home because we can close quicker, and cash, you're never stuck with having to deal with an appraisal and potential financing falling out. As you home sellers know, that happens more times than we would like. There are just so many amazing benefits to the lease to own programs we have available today, and we'd love the opportunity to share the details with you. Over a Google Meet, we can share our screen, give you numbers you can drill down, put us in the hot seat, and we can talk about how we can make you money in your new home.